There's a tiny flying thing right there, and that's my kite, because it's super high up in the air. That's my dad's on the side. The airplane almost hit our kites. And our kites the kites are pretty high now. You can't see it anymore. The car broke the line. Where's the kite? The kite's still up there, but then my line broke because of the car. The kite? I don't know.
Alien.
That's my dad's kite, and my kite's right there. I don't know how it's still flying, but like a car came and just hit the line because I set it down too low. And it's probably stuck to a tree. That's my dad's line.